Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link shows a bit of a pullback like the entire sector. Yeah, it's not entirely clear what exactly it is. I mean, it's still 3 waves up, okay? I mean, Link might try to form a low here, or I mean, it is a process always, right? So we did say maybe this entire correction already completed, which would be the low here on the 5th of July. But I'm not entirely sure about what this microstructure actually is, because if it's a WXY correction, then it's a bit short. Didn't reach the 100% extension, which is actually an ideal target at $10.30. So while I am open to the idea that the price is bottomed, it is a nice bottoming structure. It's a nice low, but it just hasn't reached the ideal downside targets, which just means I need to see a little bit more evidence. And then the structure to the upside is not entirely convincing as well, and I will tell you why. So first of all, it could simply be some kind of a corrective rally. I mean, I'm labeling this as wave B at the moment, as a B wave. It could be something different, you know. It could be like a WXYXZ. I mean, there are other ways of, you know, how this could play out. Important is, I think, to be still on the side of caution. That was the dog in the background. To still be on the side of caution, because it is only a 3-wave rally. And you know, I did tell you before, in the yellow count, the yellow count is basically what I need to see to confirm that it's bottomed. It's a 5-wave move up, and the 5th wave needs to get to the 1.618 extension at least, so $15.89. The 3rd wave to $15.20 or higher. Well, we haven't arrived there in this 3rd wave. So if I look at this, again, micro counting is sometimes a bit unproductive, but the way to look at this, in my opinion, is it looks a little bit like, well, it looks like a 1-2 setup in the beginning, okay, because it's 5 up, possibly 3 down in wave 2. So it did react to that support region. That was great. Then it looks a bit like a 3-wave move up, which could be, I don't know, it doesn't fit in really. Yeah, it doesn't really fit in because this otherwise looks like a 5-wave move. There could be a 1-2 anyway. I mean, sometimes you get distortions on the smallest time frames, but 1-2 AB maybe, all right? And then this could be a C wave, so that we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a 3rd wave is still in the making. The wave 1, however, would actually be a 3-wave move, and you know, it looks like 5, but maybe it's just 3. That's just where the interpretation comes in. And then, however, I would still like to see the 3rd wave get to that 1520 level, and we're not there yet. So therefore, it hasn't reached that 1.38 extension, so I'm not happy to confirm that a 3rd wave has topped yet. I'd like to see actually one more high, would be ideal. I mean, it hasn't even reached the 1.236 extension, so it really is just a 3-wave move. We need to be mindful it could easily break still. No? I will take out this lower support region. The price reacted to it twice, but then the question is, what is this? Now, nearest support I can give you is, it's difficult, because it is not, the microstructure isn't clear at all. I mean, normally what I do in these cases is we take a look at the 78.6 Fib level to the 38.2, and then we see if the market reacts there. But I can tell you it's not high confidence. I'm not very confident about this microstructure, so I just give you a support zone, just standard Fibonacci levels. In an ideal world, this is still wave 4 of C of 3, and we should get one more extension in wave C of 3. That would be ideal. But then I need still another 4-5 pattern. So whatever, we could even say maybe the wave 1 was here, and then this was a wave 2. But then it would need to go even higher. Okay, this is possible. And we have wave 1, 1, 2, 3, deep wave 4, unreliable. There are different ways of how this can be handled. But bottom line is, I don't have 5 waves yet, and I need the 5 waves to confirm we've bottomed. There is a standard support region that can be watched, but I wouldn't say there is a very clear long trade setup here. There was one down here, which was the box. This one is, take it with a pinch of salt. So that's all I can say at the moment about Link, but against that support region, I think the price could still attempt higher prices. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.